Hello Algebra 1 students, we are in Unit 5, Tier 1, Lesson 4b, Changing Forms. Check off your booklet please.
This is Tier 1, Lesson 4b, Changing Forms, and we're going to change forms from slope-intercept to standard form. And from middle school, you should have touched on the fact that standard form of a linear function is ax plus by is equal to c. And notice all your integer letters are capitalized and all your variable letters are lowercase. To change a linear function from slope-intercept form to standard form, we must move the x term. Sorry, I didn't leave enough room here. In our slope-intercept equation so that we have all the variables on the same side. Then if we have any fractions, we can multiply every term by the number in the denominator of the fraction to get the values to be integers. So let me go show you what that means. So we have two examples here. All right, so in this first example, we have y equals 2x plus 1. The first thing is we want to move the x value, the x term. So draw my balancing point. To get this x term to move, I want to subtract 2x from this side, subtract 2x from this side. So I get negative 2x plus y equals 1. I'm done because this is definitely now in the form of ax plus by equals c. So there's that one. All right, so now let's look at the second one. So I want to draw my balancing point and I want to move the x term. I want to get rid of the negative 1/3 x on this side. I have to add 1/3 x to it. And then I got to add 1/3 x over here. And that gives me 1/3 x plus y equals, I'm sorry that my balance point got a little out of whack, negative 3. Now I want to get rid of this fraction right here. And to do that, if you remember, I got to multiply every single term by what's in the denominator. Well, what's in the denominator is 3. So I'm going to put parentheses around this entire equation. And then what we got to use is our good old friend, the distributive property, and distribute this to every term in the equation. 3 times 1/3 is just 1. So it's going to be 1x. 3 times y is going to be plus 3y. And then 3 times negative 3 is going to be negative 9. So if we want to rewrite this, we're going to get x plus 3y equals negative 9. And that's how I get rid of the fractions and have integers only. Good luck on your practice sets.